In this video, I will show you how you can set up secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. On this page, just scroll down even more and tap on More Security Settings. Now over here, you will find the option for Secure Folder. Now just tap on it, then tap on Settings. From here, just set a lock screen PIN, password or pattern on your Samsung phone. I'll select the PIN and just create a PIN which must consist of at least 4 digits. Then tap on Continue and select Use Anyway. And just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. After you confirm the PIN, then tap on Done and tap on More. Then tap on Continue. Now just wait for a couple of seconds for your Samsung phone to create the secure folder. From here, just select a lock method for your secure folder. I'll select the pattern. Now just create a pattern for your secure folder. Then tap on Continue. Now just confirm your pattern. Then tap on Confirm and select Allow. Then tap on Next and tap on Done. And as you can see, we have successfully created the secure folder on our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.